Okay, so now we are ready to introduce mix to our unit. Now, one of the things you may notice is there will still be some sanitizer in your unit, and that is normal. But we do need to get that out. So we are going to add mix to our pan to help flush that out. Mix is denser than that water sanitizer, so it should do a great job of just that. We're going to take our cup and introduce it to our mix, or you can do it anyway. You can pour it straight in, as long as you have a way of just making sure it won't. Then you're just going to pour it in, and you can actually watch that mix flush that sanitizer. And then you're going to come over here, and we should hear it come out just as it goes in. Just like that. That's what we're looking for. So once we get that sanitizer flushed out, we can now introduce the rest of our mix. And we will just pour that in there. Again, we should hear it bubble. Should not have an issue with the seal at this point because we sanitized. And just pour it straight in. Once you're done with the mix and it's in there, you're ready to install your carb tube. And you do want to just do a pencil eraser size, just like a small one around there. We'll just make sure we lube around that O-ring. And the idea is, again, make your O-ring last longer. Kind of when it goes in there, it can get some friction. And we just want to make sure to have a little bit of lube on it to help. And you introduce it just like that. And now we are ready to run our machine. All right, once the mix is introduced, we can now just simply switch to auto and let the machine do its work. On this model, it could take anywhere from 8 to 10, 12 minutes for initial pull down, depending on the mix you use. Keep in mind, different mixes react differently to the freezing process. For example, chocolate should take longer to freeze than vanilla. Different sugars, milk solids, emulsifiers, stabilizers, all that kind of affect what's going on in there. And then we can now start our chocolate mix. Now I'm just going to click up to auto. And it should begin to freeze. It takes it about anywhere from 8 to maybe 12 minutes, depending on your product, to freeze down on initial pull. Once our machine powers off, we are at consistency, so we can draw the shakes as we desire.